What's the meaning of cookhouse? Cookhouse. Cookhouse.
Cookhouse. Cookhouse. A cookhouse is a facility where food is prepared and cooked, typically in a military or industrial setting. It is often a large, communal kitchen where meals are prepared for a large group of people. The term was popularized during World War II when countless cookhouses were established to feed soldiers. Today, cookhouses are still used in various contexts such as campsites, mining operations, and oil rigs. They are essential for providing nourishment to large groups of people in remote locations where traditional restaurants or kitchens may not be practical.